to HA Motors, your trusted destination for exploring the world's most exclusive luxury, performance, and ultra-rare vehicles. On this channel, we dive deep into design, power, comfort, and future-forward innovation, bringing you detailed insights that help true car lovers experience machines beyond imagination. Today, we are stepping into a realm where high fashion meets handcrafted automotive excellence with the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge Gucci Edition 2026, a bold statement of luxury, attitude, and bespoke craftsmanship. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge Gucci Edition is not just an SUV. It is a moving symbol of elite lifestyle and modern opulence. Designed for those who demand individuality, this special edition blends the rebellious spirit of Black Badge with the iconic fashion language of Gucci. From a first glance, the presence is commanding, with a darker, more aggressive aesthetic that still maintains Rolls-Royce's unmatched elegance. The Pantheon grille is finished in high-gloss black, paired with darkened spirit of ecstasy detailing that reinforces its bold character. Subtle, Gucci-inspired accents, custom color palettes, and exclusive badging elevate the exterior into something truly unique and instantly recognizable. Under the hood, the Cullinan Black Badge Gucci Edition is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering approximately 600 horsepower with immense torque available effortlessly. This powertrain is engineered not for aggression alone, but for smooth, silent dominance. Acceleration is seamless, and the SUV glides forward with authority, making highway cruising and city driving equally refined. The Black Badge tuning sharpens throttle response and enhances dynamic performance, while the all-wheel drive system ensures confidence across all terrains. The famous Magic Carpet Ride suspension system has been further refined for 2026, adapting intelligently to road conditions and delivering unparalleled. Step inside, and the Cullinan Black Badge Gucci Edition becomes a sanctuary of handcrafted luxury. The cabin is fully bespoke, featuring premium leathers, custom embroidery, and Gucci-inspired patterns integrated tastefully into the seats, door panels, and headrests. The color combinations are daring yet sophisticated, often blending deep blacks, rich greens, and signature red accents. Open-pore carbon fiber and darkened metal finishes replace traditional chrome, reinforcing the Black Badge identity. Every surface you touch feels meticulously crafted, reflecting countless hours of hand finishing by Rolls-Royce artisans. The rear cabin experience is where this SUV truly shines. Individual lounge seats offer exceptional comfort with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and extended legroom. A center console houses chilled champagne storage, bespoke glassware, and integrated controls for lighting, temperature, and entertainment. The Starlight headliner, customized with Gucci-themed constellations, transforms nighttime drives into a magical experience. Ambient lighting is fully customizable, allowing occupants to set the mood according to their preference, whether relaxing or making a dramatic arrival. Technology in the 2026 Cullinan Black Badge Gucci Edition is seamlessly integrated without overwhelming the senses. The infotainment system features a large high-resolution display with intuitive controls, voice commands, and smartphone connectivity. Advanced navigation, real-time traffic updates, and personalized driving profiles ensure effortless journeys. A premium audio system delivers concert-level sound quality, tuned specifically for the Cullinan's cabin acoustics. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, night vision, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and advanced collision prevention systems, offering safety without compromising luxury. This edition is not about mass production. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge Gucci Edition 2026 is expected to be extremely limited, making it a prized possession for collectors and fashion-forward elites. Each vehicle can be further personalized through Rolls-Royce's Bespoke program, ensuring no two examples are exactly alike. From custom paint finishes to unique interior materials, buyers can turn their Cullinan into a true reflection of their personal identity. On the road, This SUV commands attention without shouting. It carries itself with quiet confidence, blending the power of a V12, the comfort of a luxury lounge, and the bold creativity of high fashion. Whether parked outside a luxury boutique or cruising through city streets, the Cullinan Black Badge Gucci Edition redefines what a luxury SUV can be in 2026. If you enjoyed this detailed look into one of the most exclusive luxury SUVs ever imagined, stay connected with HA Motors for more premium car content, rare editions, and future automotive icons. Don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel to never miss an update from the world of ultimate luxury and performance.